Welcome back to our new session of linear equations in two variables. Here we are going to study about the solutions of a linear equation. Solution of a linear equation. In earlier classes, we have learned that every linear equation in one variable has a unique solution. The standard form of a linear equation in one variable is ax plus b equal to 0 and a not equal to 0. And the solution of the linear equation in one variable is given by negative b by a. For example, if 2x plus 6 equal to 0 is a linear equation in one variable, we can say x is equal to negative 6 by 2, which is equal to negative 3. Here, solution of the equation is negative 3. That is, value of the variable satisfying the given linear equation is also known as its solution. Now, let us learn about the solutions of a linear equation in two variables. In linear equation in one variable, we have learned that the value of the variable satisfying a given linear equation is known as its solution. The same concept is extended to linear equation in two variables as given below. Let ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers such that a not equal to 0 and b not equal to 0, then any pair of values of x and y which satisfies the equation is called a solution of it. Also, we can say that a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Let's take an example of a linear equation in two variables. 3x minus 2y equal to 5. Here, x equal to 3 and y equal to 2 is a solution of 3x minus 2y equal to 5. Because when we substitute the value for x equal to 3 and y equal to 2 in LHS, our LHS become 3 into 3 minus 2 into 2, which is 9 minus 4 equal to 5, which is our RHS, which we can say that LHS equal to RHS, and therefore x equal to 3, y equal to 2 is a solution of the given equation. But when we give x equal to 3 and y equal to negative 2, we can see LHS equal to 3 into 3 minus 2 into negative 2, which is 9 plus 4 equal to 13, which is not equal to RHS. Therefore, x equal to 3 and y is equal to negative 2 is not a solution of 3x minus 2y equal to 5. Example 2. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. Here you are given 5 sets of values and we need to check which are the solutions of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. The first one 0, negative 2. That is, substitute x equal to 0 and y is equal to negative 2 in the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. Therefore, LHS will be 0 minus 2 into negative 2, which is equal to 0 plus 4 equal to 4, which is same as our RHS. Therefore, we can say 0, negative 2 is a solution of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. Now, let us give 2, 0. That is, x is equal to 2 and y equal to 0 is substituted in our equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. Our LHS will be 2 minus 2 into 0, which is equal to 2 minus 0 equal to 2, which is not equal to our RHS. Therefore, 2, 0 is not a solution of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. Question 3. 4, 0. Substitute x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0 in the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. We can see LHS will be 4 minus 2 into 0, which is equal to 4 minus 0, equal to 4, which is same as the RHS. Therefore, 4, 0 is a solution of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. In the next one, root 2, 4 root 2. That is, substitute x is equal to root 2 and y is equal to 4 root 2 in the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. We have LHS is equal to root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2, which is equal to root 2 minus 8 root 2 equal to negative 7 root 2, which is not equal to the RHS. Therefore, root 2, 4 root 2 is not a solution of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. In the last question, substitute x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 in the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. We will have our LHS as 1 minus 2 into 1, which is equal to 1 minus 2 equal to negative 1, which is not equal to the RHS. Therefore, 1, 1 is not a solution of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. Continuing in this manner, we can obtain any number of solutions for an equation. Thus, a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Example 3. Find 4 solutions for 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. Here, let us take x is equal to 0. So, our equation will be 4 into 0 plus 3y is equal to 12. From that, 3y is equal to 12 and y is equal to 4. Therefore, we can say when x is equal to 0, the value of y is 4 and the solution of the equation is 0, 4. In the same way, we can give any value for x and obtain the value for y to get a solution for the equation. As an easy way to obtain a solution is to take x equal to 0 and obtain corresponding value for y, or take y is equal to 0 to obtain the corresponding value of x. Here, let us take x is equal to 3. So, our equation will be 4 into 3 plus 3y equal to 12, which will be 12 plus 3y is equal to 12, and from this 3y is equal to 12 minus 12, which is equal to 0, and y is equal to 0 by 3 equal to 0. Therefore, the second solution of the equation is 3, 0. Again, let us give x is equal to 1. So, our equation will be 4 into 1 plus 3y is equal to 12. From this, 3y will be 12 minus 4 equal to 8 and y is equal to 8 by 3. So, the solution is 1, 8 by 3. If the question is to find just the solution of an equation, we can give any value for an x and the fraction value for y is not a problem. But if we are asked to draw the graph of the solution, it will be convenient if we go for the whole numbers as the solutions. Get the fourth solution. Here, the value for x is given as 2. So, the equation is 4 into 2 plus 3y is equal to 12. Finally, 3y is equal to 12 minus 8, which is equal to 4, and y is equal to 4 by 3. Therefore, the fourth solution is 2, 4 by 3. We can see the four solutions are 0, 4, 3, 0, 1, 8 by 3 and 2, 4 by 3. Example 4. Find the value of k if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Here it is given x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4 is a solution. Substituting these values in the equation, it will be 2 into 1 plus 3 into 4 is equal to k. That is 2 plus 12 equal to k, and therefore the value of k is equal to 14. Based on these example questions, you can do exercise problem 4.2 in page number 70. Thank you.